Hi all, welcome to the Daily Cookbook. Today we are making a popular South Indian snack, urad dal vada. This is similar to medu vada, only different in shape. In Mangalore and Udupi, this is known as biscuit ambade. This vada can be served with chutney or sambar. Just like the medu vadas, these ambades are also crisp from outside and soft from inside. Let's get started and make biscuit ambade. In a bowl, add 2 cups of urad dal. Add a tablespoon of rice to make the vadas crispy. This is optional. Now add water and wash the urad dal 3 to 4 times. After washing it well, add enough water. Let it soak for 5 to 6 hours. The soaked dal is ready to be grinded. Do not throw away the water, you can use the same to grind dal. Drain the water from dal and add it into a blender. Do not add more water or your vadas will absorb more oil while frying. So add very little water and grind it into a thick paste. Here is the thick batter after grinding. Transfer it into a container. If your batter has turned runny by adding more water, you can add few tablespoons of rice flour. Make sure you do not add more rice flour as your vadas may turn hard. Grind the remaining dal again in the same way. Add very little water and blend into a thick paste. Transfer it to the same container. This is the consistency of the batter. To mix the batter well, I have used a whisk. You can also mix the batter using your hands. Add a tablespoon of salt or as per taste. Add a pinch of soda bicarb and mix the batter again. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of fresh grated coconut, few chopped curry leaves, ginger and green chilies. A pinch of asafoetida. When the batter is mixed well, it helps the vadas to turn fluffy inside. After mixing it well, cover it with the lid and keep it aside for 2 to 3 hours. Till the batter rests, it's time to prepare a coconut chutney for the vadas. The ingredients to prepare chutney are a cup of fresh grated coconut, 2 green chilies, a small piece of ginger, a small piece of tamarind, few mint and coriander leaves. Add all the ingredients into the blender. Add salt as per taste or 1 teaspoon. Add half cup of water, you can add more if required. Now blend it into a smooth paste. After grinding it well, transfer it into a bowl. So the green chutney is ready. It's time to prepare the vadas. Heat oil in a kadai and start adding small dollops from the batter. Do not mix the batter. The flame should be on high initially. You can turn the flame to medium after some time. Drop small dumplings from the batter into hot oil one by one. The heat should be on high flame or the vadas will absorb more oil. Fry the vadas till they turn golden. With the same batter, you can also prepare the donut-shaped medu vadas. Keep flipping, and now you can turn the flame to medium. Fry the vadas till they turn golden brown in color. Now the first batch of vadas are done. With the rest of the batter, you can start adding the vadas and fry them again. The remaining batter can also be stored in an airtight container, refrigerated for 2 to 3 days. So the ambades are ready. They are crisp from outside and soft from inside. Serve with chutney or sambar and enjoy with a cup of tea. For a detailed written recipe, do check the description box below. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon with another video. Till then, take care and have a nice time. Thank you.